In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play custom races on GTA 5. So the first thing you need to do is open up a web browser, and by the way, you can do this on PC, Xbox, or PlayStation. So open up a web browser and type in Rockstar Games. Now you would have already created your Rockstar Games account, so just click on their website. And if you haven't already signed in, there'll be a sign in button in the top right hand corner. As you can see, I'm signed in. Here you want to go to games, then select GTA 5. Once you've done that, head over to community, click on jobs, and then click browse all jobs. That will take you to this window, and we can go ahead and filter through custom races. So if you click on this filter button in the top right, we can then choose a job type. So I'm going to choose race. You can then filter it even more. So let's say we want to play this one. We can go ahead and click on it. We can view the job, and we can then click bookmark job. You then need to click OK here, and as long as it says remove bookmark and you've bookmarked it, you can now play it in GTA 5. So go and play GTA Online. I'm going to join an invite only session. From here, you can go ahead and click the start menu. You can then go online. You then need to click on jobs, play job, and then you can go to bookmarked. Here you then should be able to find your category. So mine is in stunt races. Then we can find the job which we just bookmarked, which we can then go ahead and click on A or select, and we can go ahead and load up this job.